Award-Tanny Shirley, a name synonymous with progress in Jamaica, is being honored with the Order of Jamaica for his contributions to both the public and the private sectors in the 2024 National Honors and Awards ceremony.
I got this call from the ambassador saying, "Are you Lieutenant Shirley?" I said, "Yes." Very stern and very pleasant voice. And she said, "Are you standing?" I said, "No." She said, "Well, you better sit down." I said, "I think I will keep standing." I'm not fazed by issues. So she laughed and said, "You have been awarded an OJ." And I said, "My God, are you serious?" And she said, "Yes, congratulations."
The first time I met Chair is in 2001. I was the CEO of Kingston Public and Victoria Jubilee Hospitals, just purchased a brand new SUV and decided that I needed to go to the auto supermarket of Jamaica, which was Mitchell's Auto Supply.
A chance encounter at Mitchell's Auto Supply led to a memorable meeting with Mr. Shirley, who turned out to be a key player in engineering and healthcare. The meeting sparked a relationship that would transform Jamaica's health sector. Tanny Shirley's impactful career in healthcare began in 2006 as chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERA. One of his early challenges was the urgent need to revitalize the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH, one of Jamaica's oldest facilities.
I immediately thought that as chairman we should, give it a new look. And we painted that building, painted the staff quarters, and as you can imagine, KPH is a massive building. And thereafter, we started to look at the many areas of KPH that needed retrofitting.
Under his leadership, the hospital underwent significant renovations. Patient care was also drastically improved with the introduction of 17 new hemodialysis machines and the overhaul of the facility's morgue. Mr. Shirley's vision extended beyond the KPH. In 2013, he facilitated the introduction of a state-of-the-art digital X-ray unit at Princess Margaret Hospital and helped establish the region's first pediatric cardiac center at the Bustamante Hospital for Children.
We turn our eyes to Spanish Town Hospital. It was amazing when I went there as chairman. It was an area there is no regulation, so we had to look at restructuring the entire campus to create security, not only for patients but for staff. So we continued to transform hospital by hospital, and the whole thing was to impact people's lives, bring a new dimension to healthcare. Understand the pains of the doctors as much as the pain of the patients, and understand they both work hand in hand.
So yes, he's that type of chairman who is very hands-on in his leadership.
In 2016, Mr. Shirley transitioned to the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ, taking the helm during a period marked by critical audits. Undeterred, he spearheaded initiatives to address the organization's challenges.
We have won over 22 corporate governance awards. We have now managing new project of over 1.6 million square feet of space. We now have over 190% demand for the space that we have built. And I'm so pleased that along with the road development in that area, Moranbay now is the blueprint for not only public-private sector investment, but the blueprint for further urban center development.
Throughout his career, Mr. Shirley emphasized the importance of empowering others.
If you're in business, train your managers and your staff to be as competent as you are. Tell them about the business, let them grow in the business and reward them as much as you can. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling that you can hold back as a legacy to show your kids, show your friends that giving back have its reward. And it's not just financial rewards. It's that social, mental award that keep your feet to the ground. That is people who build you. And that was very impactful.
Congrats again, and I look forward to serving with you. I appreciate that you have been not just a mentor, but also a friend.
Tanny Shirley's realm of influence spans both private and public sector. His dedication to improving lives and fostering collaboration stands as a testament to the profound impact one individual can have on a nation's health and prosperity.